Hello everyone, my name is Kai Master and I'm going to show you the best seed and very large village. Here's and let's play first so that you can see. And see this. Go to your new world. I hope this will work. 13885822293. Done. Let's see this. If this work, thanks. But oh yeah, this worked. Go straight there, and you will see this village. Look at so large. Nice, large village. So, and there's a one blacksmith. It has a 7 to 10 emeralds and get. Oh, why this village? Oh, my mistake. It's big. 2, that's the number 2 blacksmith there, and you can get that a emeralds and armor here. Thank you everyone. This is Sky Master again. Goodbye. Toot toot.